Welcome to Bazaar's PowerPoint for Pros, a video series that will help you become better at PowerPoint. In this video, we'll take a look at how you can animate text in your PowerPoint presentations. Before we start, if you regularly work with presentations, you must check out our free PowerPoint add-in. It gives you access to hundreds of presentation templates, themes, and more right within PowerPoint. And it is designed to help you create stunning presentations with minimal effort. Check it out using the link in the description. On to the video. Animating text is pretty straightforward in PowerPoint. It's just like animating anything else on your slide. You can use animations to add emphasis to a piece of text, but make sure you do not overdo it. Simply select the text, go to Animations, and select a suitable animation. Now sometimes you might want to add a typewriter effect to your text. To do this, here's what you can do. Select the text and apply the Appear animation to it. After adding the animation, go to the animation pane and click on the arrow next to the animation and select Effect Options. Now in the Effect Options dialog box, go to Animate Text and choose by letter. Set the animation speed as 0.1 as well and click on OK. And there you have it, a typewriter effect in PowerPoint. Now, if you want to add the same animation to any other text in your slide, you don't need to repeat all those steps again. Simply click on the text, click on Animation Painter, and then click on the text you want to apply the animation to. That's all. Finally, here is probably the best way to animate text in your PowerPoint by using morph transitions. Here's a quick example. Let's just put some text on a slide. Now, group the text that you want to move, and then duplicate the slide. Now, on the duplicate slide, move the text away from the slide, and then go to Transitions and select Morph. And that's it. You've just used morph transitions to animate text in your slides. That's all I have for you in this video. I hope you're able to animate the text in your slides now. For more videos like this, subscribe and don't forget to check out Bazaar's free PowerPoint add-in. The link is in the description.